Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get the free sound effects without logging in anywhere or without paying anything that you can use on your YouTube videos or any of the project you want. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, and here I have to search for Pixabay sound effects. You can see the right spelling over there if I pronounce it wrong. Now just simply hit enter and open this first website that says 1 lakh plus free sound effects for download one or 100,000 plus free sound effects. Just simply open this website, and here you can see multiple sound effects for you. You can even search for example, if I search for the slap sound effect, I can find it right away, different types of slap effects as well, so I can just simply hit download and use it wherever I want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.